CleanSpark launches $1.15 billion convertible note offering to expand Bitcoin and AI operations. Bitcoin, CleanSpark, mining. The company will allocate $460 million for a stock buyback and use the rest to grow its data center. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 39 minutes ago. Nasdaq-listed Bitcoin mining giant CleanSpark has announced plans to raise $1.15 billion through a senior convertible note, offering to expand its Bitcoin mining capacity and accelerate its push into artificial intelligence, AI, infrastructure. Key takeaways. CleanSpark is raising $1.15 billion through a convertible note offering to expand its Bitcoin mining and AI infrastructure operations. The company will allocate $460 million for a stock buyback and use the rest to grow its data center. The move reflects a wider industry pivot toward AI and high-performance computing. The company expects to generate about $1.13 billion in net proceeds, or up to $1.28 billion if underwriters fully exercise their options. The offering is set to close on November 13th, subject to standard closing conditions, CleanSpark said Tuesday. CleanSpark to use $460 million for stock buyback. Of the proceeds, $460 million will go toward repurchasing common stock from investors, while the remainder will be used to expand the firm's power and land portfolio, develop data center infrastructure, repay Bitcoin-backed loans, and cover general corporate costs. CleanSpark said the stock repurchases will occur through privately negotiated transactions at $15.03 per share, matching Monday's Nasdaq closing price. The move comes roughly a year after the company raised $550 million in a similar private convertible note offering completed in December 2024. According to BitcoinMiningstock.io, CleanSpark ranks as the world's second-largest Bitcoin miner, boasting an operational hash rate of 46.6 exahashes per second, H/s, trailing only Marathon Holdings. The funding push aligns with a broader industry shift toward AI and high-performance computing, HPC. Following April's Bitcoin halving, which cut block rewards by half, miners have been exploring ways to repurpose excess energy and infrastructure for AI workloads to offset shrinking profit margins. CleanSpark stock jumped 13% in late October after it announced its AI expansion strategy. Chief Development Officer Scott Garrison said the company has identified Georgia as a strategic region for both potential conversion and future expansion. The trend extends beyond CleanSpark. In recent months, Iron secured a $9.7 billion deal with Microsoft to host AI GPUs in its data centers, while Core Scientific signed a $3.5 billion agreement with CoreWeave to supply 200 megawatts of HPC infrastructure. Once a struggling miner that filed for bankruptcy in 2022, Core Scientific has since revived its fortunes through its AI partnership, a shift that CleanSpark appears ready to mirror. TeraWulf Q3 revenue surges 87% to $50.6 million. As reported, Bitcoin miner TeraWulf posted a sharp rebound in the third quarter, nearly doubling its year-over-year revenue as the company benefited from Bitcoin's price surge and growing exposure to artificial intelligence infrastructure. The US-based company said total revenue rose 87% to $50.6 million, driven largely by higher Bitcoin prices and additional income from high-performance computing, HPC leasing. Of that total, $43.4 million came from digital asset revenue. Notably, Bitcoin miners are facing mounting pressure as profitability plunges to its lowest level in months, driven by rising power costs, declining Bitcoin prices, and reduced block rewards following April's halving. The key profitability metric, known as hash price, has dropped to around $42 per PH/s, nearing break-even levels that threaten smaller operations and squeeze industry margins. The downturn has rippled across the supply chain, with hardware sales slowing and equipment manufacturers struggling as miners delay purchases or cancel orders. Some firms, like BitDeer, have turned to self-mining, while others are pivoting to AI and high-performance computing, HPC, to capitalize on stronger margins and steady demand. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility, traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP boss says Fed plans could be game changer. For Ripple XRP price prediction. 20-day countdown begins. Could the first XRP ETF send prices to $1,000? Altcoin news. High-profile Ethereum MEV fraud trial collapses as judge declares mistrial. 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Bitcoin news. Analyst says Bitcoin dominance breakdown could signal incoming altcoin season. 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doge. For days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. For days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 21 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 16 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 16 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 10 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago. By Ben Beto.